College of Education Hooding Crash Course. Congratulations! You have sacrificed blood, sweat, and tears to get to this point, and it is finally time for the hooding ceremony. Before the big day, there are a few things that you need to know. When you arrive, please check in by the Atlas Center. Fill out your name card with the phonetic pronunciation of your name. If you don't do this, we could say your name incorrectly in front of everyone. Yikes! Once you fill out your card, take it with you. You will need this on stage. Attach the zipper pole to the zipper on your robe and zip it up. The lineup comes next. The line begins at the Atlas Center and continues down the hall. Look at the number on the corner of your name card. These correspond with your degree title and the order in which they will be presented. Find your number and wait there for the procession. This next part is very important. While standing in line, first hold the string loop on your hood in your right hand. Fold the hood in half one time. The velvet edge needs to be facing the front. Use your left hand to pull the opposite corner where the colors are down and over. Then drape your hood over your left arm with the loop away from your body. Seating in the auditorium is arranged as follows: graduates in the center, faculty on the far side, and guests in the remaining sections. Follow the procession into the auditorium according to this pattern. You will be called to the stage by degree group. Your degree group is the title of your degree, regardless of concentration. When your degree group is called, exit your row to the right. Proceed to the walkway behind the student and faculty sections and meet your hooding faculty along the wall. When it is your turn, hand your name card to the speaker, walk to the center of the stage, and stop when you get to the pointed V of the carpet. Ladies, the floor is slick, so keep that in mind when choosing footwear. The person hooding you will take your hood from your left arm and then you turn to the front. Do not lean forward. Squat. Nobody wants to see the top of your cap. All they want to see is your bright, smiling faces. After you are hooded, please proceed across the stage where you will receive a gift from the College of Education. Proceed down the stairs and enter your row from the opposite side that you left it from. From the stage point of view, this is your right. After the ceremony, the recession occurs. Faculty goes first, then graduates, then guests. Please follow this pattern when exiting your row. When all is said and done, please feel free to hang around the College of Education. This is a great opportunity for you to take photos and mingle. The ceremony will be held in the College of Education Building Auditorium. The College of Education is located at 1550 East Terry Street and is Building 62 on campus maps. Parking is located across the street in the general lot. Disabled parking is available on the campus side of the building. If you or your guests need interpretation or have any special needs, please let us know ahead of time so that we can make accommodations for you. The auditorium has limited seating, so encourage your guests to arrive early. Children of all ages are welcome, and there are additional viewing options provided in the lobby and classrooms throughout the building. A few final thoughts for you. Please be on time. Bring everything you need. Don't forget to breathe. And once again, congratulations, graduates.